Hi all, thank you very much for watching this video. Today we're gonna see how you can use CloudWatch for your system monitoring purpose. So the system utilizations like CPU utilization, network utilization, disk utilization of your system resources can be tracked using this CloudWatch monitoring tool in AWS. So let's see how you can use this CloudWatch for your instances, for your resources. So first of all, you have to at least have one resource running in your account. So let's click EC2. So basically we're gonna check the system performance of our EC2 instance. So right now I am in the Ohio region. So as of now you don't have any instance running. So let's create one or check whether this is the one server. Web server is already launched. Let's run it. So start instance. So now we are starting this instance. So let's connect and see the initial status of this server. What are the processes, what are the memory usage of this system. So this is basically a virtual server we have launched in AWS. So the instance is in the pending state, and this is in the US East 2 as well. So now the instance is up and running. So let me connect it. Okay. So establishing connection. You can check your system performance by simply monitoring tab. So this is the system metrics from CloudWatch, but we're gonna see it more in depth with the CloudWatch service. Now you are logged in. So let's check the stop command. I mean, it's not in the capital. So this is the system current utilization of CPU. You can see 0.7%, and there are no running processes. So the system is in the ideal state. So let's go to CloudWatch. So we're gonna set up one alarm. So once the CPU utilization goes up to 80%, the system will trigger one notification over your mail. So you can check if you are offline or you are not on a duty. Sometimes your system might get a traffic from huge amount of traffic when the system will receive. So the system utilization will rise up, and whenever it in the critical situation, you must be aware with this. So for that you have to set up one alarm. So whenever the system is in the critical state, so you will get notified over your mail. So this is what we are going today. So let me check. There is one program, cpu spike.py, that is Python. Let me check what is in that program. So this is the basic program. This will spike CPU utilization manually, after executing this program, the CPU utilization will rise up to 80%, and you will receive one notification regarding the system utilization on your mail. So let's configure this scenario. So first of all, let's check your system utilization in CloudWatch also. So for that, go to metrics, all metrics. Then now you can see Here is nothing about your system. So for that, let's check. We are gonna monitor the EC2 instance performance, basically the CPU utilization of the instance. So let me just grab it over, and we are in the Ohio region. So now let me copy instance ID. How can I check instance ID? So let me again log in. So I think we are in the North Virginia state now, logged in. So let me check Ohio. So always keep in remember where your instances, where your resources gonna provision. So this is very important. So let's go to EC2. I'm gonna check this instance ID, running instance ID. So now this is EC68 instance ID in the last 4 digits. So let me check. So EC68. How? So this is web server, our server's system metrics. So these are the metrics available for EC2 instance. So you can check the CPU credit usage, CPU credit balance. So these are the metrics like index rate ops and CPU utilization, network utilization. You can check out network packets out, network packets in. So this is the network monitoring part, and then so there are different types of metrics available. So first now we are going to check the CPU utilization of our server. So now click on this. So this will give you a graphic representation of your CPU utilization. It says that this utilization is up to 68.52%. so this is the previous one, I think. So now let's again let me check before the 1 hours. So this will give you the the system metrics about 1 hour. So this is CPU utilization 68.52. So let's execute this program and let's utilize our system. So Python 3 CPU spike.py, let's execute this program. So simulating CPU spike at 80%. So this will rise up our CPU utilization at 80%, and this will trigger one notification. We have not yet configured the notification, so let me stop this. And now we are setting up one alarm on alarms. Create one alarm. Based on this alarm, you will receive one notification about your CPU utilization of your EC2 instance. So for that, so let's create one alarm for system. So click on alarms, and then create alarm, select metrics. So select EC2 instance. So metrics available for EC2 instance is we're gonna select CPU utilization. So instance ID EC68, search CPU utilization. Let's monitor the CPU utilization of system and trigger one notification over the mail. So this is all about average, not average, maximum. Then now let's go with average utilization with with threshold amount of 50. So next, then SNS topic CPU utilization, and this is the mail on which you are receiving. You want to receive this mail, and then next.